Hi there! As we are aware how RPA transformed business efficiency before, but now let's see how AI is taking it to the next level. AI-powered RPA combines rule-based automation with machine learning capabilities, and the fusion of these technologies creates intelligent automation that can understand complex documents, make decisions based on data, and also learn and improve over time. In practice, this means handling unstructured data effortlessly, adapting to process changes automatically, providing insights for continuous improvement. Across industries, AI with RPA is streamlining customer onboarding in banking, enhancing diagnostic processes in healthcare, optimizing supply chains in manufacturing. And the result? Unprecedented efficiency and accuracy in business operations. AI with RPA isn't replacing humans. It's augmenting our capabilities, freeing us for strategic, creative work. As we move forward, AI-powered RPA will be key to staying competitive in a rapidly evolving business landscape. Are you ready to elevate your automation? Visit RPATech.ai to discover how AI-powered RPA can transform your business.